Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the Workplace Activity History module. This module provides an overview of user activity that's occurred across a workplace. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual users' access levels. These are controlled within the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as all modules in the system. Below the module name and module icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the workplace homepage, the option to export the data from the current year being viewed in CSV format, and finally the option to export the table with the current year being viewed as a PDF file. Over to the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. The Workplace Activity History table shows a breakdown of the combined activity of all users on a month-by-month and a module-by-module basis for each calendar year. The default view is the current calendar year. Other years can be viewed and exported by selecting the back and forward arrowheads that appear either side of the year. In the table itself, the first row is the Workplace Activity Score. The Workplace Activity Score is designed to provide a general overall measure of WHS compliance within the workplace. The score updates monthly and is calculated by an underlying algorithm that factors activities across 6 key system modules, which occupy the next 6 rows in the table and are highlighted with a blue background. To reveal and display the Workplace Activity Score for a specific month, just select the I icon in the relevant cell. Below the Workplace Activity Score, each of the cells in the body of the table display the activity for each module each month. Each activity cell, which displays totals for all users and not just the user viewing the table, is a link to the relevant module for convenience. Typically, activity refers to the number of new items that have been added to the relevant module. For example, here you can see the number of new hazardous substances added for a given month, and here you can see the number of contractor sign-ins completed. The only exceptions to this are tasks and hazards completed, and that name does vary slightly from system to system, which shows the total number of records that were marked as completed in the relevant month. And at the bottom of the table, logins, which shows the total combined activity logins by all users who've accessed this workplace each month. And that concludes this tutorial. For more information about the Workplace Activity History module, please refer to the help box at any time. Thanks for watching.